In today's video, I'm going to show you how we cleaned up this skull so that we could add it to our collection. Let's begin. To recap, my dogs found this skull in the forest, and since it's winter and I don't have any ants' nests, I decided to boil off the flesh, and here's what we were left with. Now I needed to let these guys dry, so we took a quick trip to good old Canadian Tire. Here we found our selection of wire brush heads for our drill. We made a good choice and we threw her on the drill. Let's begin. I'm just going to apply enough pressure to stop the drill from bouncing around, and once I get the feel for it, I'm just going to go around meticulously, taking off all of the loose flesh. I'm being extra careful to keep this bit moving so that I don't dig in and cause any scratching and scuffing. The more preferred method would be the anthill or flesh-eating beetles or something, but being that it's winter and I don't have any flesh-eating beetles, this is my go-to. Sit back and enjoy. And young Johnny here has a nice date with some other skulls later, so we are going to make sure to get his breath smelling good and fresh. And here we are. It is time to add him to our display case. I think he turned out great. Next steps could be to bleach him, but I think he'll fit in with the rest of my collectibles, including my spoons.